How to turn off pop-up notification on Instagram iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the notification option available in there. Then once you tap on the notification, scroll and from the list of the apps, all you have to do is tap on the Instagram. Inside Instagram, you'll have to toggle on the allow notification. Then there you can see three options available there as your notification will pop up. If you do not want your notification to pop up as badge or in notification center or in the lock screen, then you can choose it according to your preferences. You can simply keep it in your notification center, which will not pop up your notification in your Instagram, but the main and the easiest solution will be just to toggle off the allow notification option in your Instagram, which will not allow any notifications from your Instagram to be shown in your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.